How to reset, deactivate, remove effects. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I added 2 effects to it. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls panel. To deactivate an effect, just click on the effect button next to the name of effect, or to activate it again, just click again on it once more. To delete an effect, just right-click on the effect and then select Clear. To reset only a property that you changed before, just click on the Reset Parameter button. To reset an effect, which means that you reset all the properties of that effect, just click on the Reset Effect button next to the name of that effect. You can also right-click in your clip and select Remove Attributes. In the pop-up, select all the effects you want to remove from the clip and click OK. You can see that some effects like Gaussian blur are removed from the clip, but some other effects like motion and opacity just reset and are not removed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.